Welcome to Vital D. All we do here is to bring health tips closer to your nearest yourself. Now, today we're talking about 5 everyday habits destroying your erection. We are not just going to be talking about this habit. We are going to be telling you what you can do to fix them. Because a lot of habits out there, you might be doing some simple things, but you don't know that these things are affecting your erection. Now, let's be honest, guys. No one talks about it, but everyone is thinking about it. Once you have a weak erection, you might be suffering without knowing how to talk about it. So you're in the middle of something intimate, and suddenly when things were just starting to feel good, all of a sudden it is over. Now, if you're in this category, or if you're in this shoe, you're not alone. Come closer, because I'm going to tell you that some of the habits you do yourself might be putting you off balance. Some things you are doing on a day-to-day activity, they might be exposing you to having this erectile dysfunction, or even having weak erection. So don't play with these things, because some simple habits you might think is very simple might affect how you last in the other room, or even your sexual life. There are things you do every single day that might be sabotaging your performance in the bedroom. Some simple things that you just think is very simple. Those things might be sabotaging your performance in the bedroom. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you those things. I will uncover them. And I'm going to tell you some funny habit that you are doing that is killing your erection without even realizing them. You can be doing these things and you don't know that they are killing your erection because you don't pay attention to it. You just feel it's a normal thing, like it's a norm. But in as much as you might be enjoying doing them, they might be killing your sexual performance. And these things are backed by science. They're not just simple as it might sound. You understand? So if you have ever searched why can't I stay hard, or what causes weak erection, we are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 everyday habits that might be killing your erection. In fact, some of them will kill your erection slowly. You might not even notice it until when it is that bad. Like, it will get to a stage that you can't even stay up to 2 seconds or maybe 2 minutes. You get? So those things can affect you. Erectile dysfunction isn't just a problem for older men. Before now, people always feel that as you advance in age, you can come down with erectile dysfunction. No. In fact, more guys in their 20s, 30s, and 40s are dealing with weak erection. Some of them are because of the simple things they do, the little habit. Yeah, some of them are also faced with low stamina, even performance, and even anxiety. You understand? There are some habits that you yourself is doing from day to day that are killing your erection, that are killing your performance in the other room. You get it? So we are going to be looking at these things. Is it diet? Is it sleep? Is it stress? Or even the time you spend on your phone? Because you don't know that the time you spend on your phone can also affect your performance in the other room. I know you don't know that. So those simple things, those small habits that can make big impact in your sexual life or sexual health is what we are going to break down to you. We are going to talk about these things, and these things we are going to mention them. These 5 habits are they are strongly backed by science, because they are secretly damaging your erections and what you can do right now to turn things around. So I'm going to be telling you what you can do to turn things around. These habits, we are going to see a way to eliminate them and how to fix it and ensure that you get back to the other room and then do the work of a man. Now, number 1 thing that is destroying that is killing your erection slowly is poor sleep habit. Now, if you're someone that's always getting sleep for less than 6 hours a night, you are putting your erection at risk. That's the honest truth. Because what happens is that your testosterone, the key hormone for sex drive and strong erection, they are mostly produced while you are asleep. So while you are sleeping, those testosterone, which is your very key hormone for sex drive, they are produced during sleep. So what that means is that lack of rest will obviously equal to lower testosterone, and when your testosterones are lower, you are going to obviously experience weaker erection. So you need to ensure that you get quality sleep. So how do you fix this? Now, how to ensure that you improve your sleep qualities? Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours sleep quality every night. Once you do this, you are going to encourage yourself. You are going to remove yourself from having a weak erection. Now, cut off screen time and add to your bedtime. Now, keep your room like cool and dark. That will ensure that you get into sleep as soon as possible. Don't play with sleep, because the thing is that lack of sleep and erectile dysfunction testosterone, and erection, these things can be fixed naturally. Because if you sleep well, you're getting good sleep, you understand? That means more testosterone will be produced, which is the hormone that ensures good sex drive. Once that happens, you are going to have a stronger erection. Now, another habit that is killing or destroying your erection gradually is smoking and vaping. Now, this is a big one. A lot of guys smoke. You understand? Once you smoke, you are damaging your blood vessels. And once your blood vessels are damaged, guess what happens? Erections are all about good blood flow. Now, for your penis to stand, or for you to stand, have a good erection, you need good blood flow. So, smoking damages these blood vessels. And once those blood vessels are damaged, you cannot have good blood flow. Vaping, for example, they affect nitric oxide. And nitric oxide are the body natural erection booster. So, smoking, you need to cut down smoking. What can you do to fix this? So, start by cutting down smoking, like cigarette smoking. Cut it down. Vaping, reduce them, cut it off. Because those habits are slowly killing your erection. Because once those blood vessels are not properly supplying blood to your penis, you can not have good erection. As such, you are not going to perform, or you are not going to last longer in the other room. So try to cut down cigarette smoking, because they are destroying your blood vessels. And once your blood vessels are destroyed, your blood flow, blood circulation generally will be affected. Now, another reason, or not simple habit that is destroying or that is exposing you or killing your erection slowly, is eating processed junk food. In as much as burgers, fries, sodas, they taste good, but they ruin your performance at the end of the day. Like, they ruin your performance, because high sugar and high fat diet can lead to clogged arteries, obesity, then can even lead to high blood pressure. Now, all of this, once all these things happen, it reduces blood flow to the penis. So if you're obese, just know that you are going to have a very slow blood flow to the penis. If you are someone that's having high BP, that's high blood pressure, your blood flow to the penis will also be reduced. Because so you have to cut down on junks. That's how to stay away from this kind of habit. Cut down on junks. You understand? All those fries, burger, soda, cut it off. Encourage yourself to take more of fruit, veggies, lean protein, thin healthy fats. That will encourage you to stay healthy. You understand? So some food like lean greens, beets, watermelon, they are great for blood flow. So stick to those kind of food, because any food that limit or that reduce blood flow to your penis, you are going to have weak erection. But food that encourages or they enhance good blood flow to your penis, that means you are going to have stronger and hard erection. So cut out bad diet, cut out junk food, soda, eliminate and replace those ones with healthy diet like fruits, veggies, water. That will ensure that your blood flow to your penis is on a very good side. And once that happens, you are going to have good erection. Number 4 reason is too much screen time. Now, another habit that is killing your erection as a man gradually is too much screen time. Now, spending hours scrolling or watching porn, they can desensitize your brain and rewire your arousal pattern. Now, once this happens, the way your brain reacts to porn and then real life intimacy will be different. So over time, this can lead to porn-induced erectile dysfunction, especially if your brain starts to rely on digital stimulation over real life connection. Because if you are someone that watches porn on a day-to-day, like you have made porn your day-to-day routine, you will be getting satisfaction from digital connection instead of real life connection. So how can you fix this? So you have to take a break from screen time. You understand? Reduce your screen time. Take a break from unnecessary hours of screen. Because then try dopamine detox. What that means is try to do activities that are limiting hyperstimulation. So once that happens, like reduce porn, junks, anything that is putting you on hyperstimulations, that will expose you to those bad habits that can even expose you to having weak erection. So porn and erectile dysfunction, screen time, those things affect erection. The last one we want to look at, the simple habit, another last common habit that affects erection is constant stress and anxiety. People don't talk about this one because you feel you can manage your stress. But once you are stressed, your body releases cortisol. Now that is a hormone that blocks testosterone and restricts blood flow. So once this blood flow to your penis is being blocked, you are going to have weak erection. And even your performance anxiety, work pressure, money worries all these things add up. You get all these things add up, and that will affect your performance in the, that will even affect your erection generally. So you have to manage your stress and anxiety level. You have to try and manage it. So what can you do to fix this? Now, practice stress reducing habits daily. Like you take deep breath, regular exercise, listening to music, talking to someone, like spend time on yourself. Your mind and your body need rest. Your mind and your body need time to fix itself and then relax. Because once this pressure and stress build up over time, you are going to be obviously having weak erection always. It's not about drugs, it's not about condition, it's not about anybody trying to withdraw you, but you yourself. So try to manage your stress and your anxiety level. Once you put these things into consideration, you are going to get back your life as soon as possible. So these are simple habits that may be damaging your sexual life, or that may even be destroying your erection, and without you knowing. And sometimes these habits are what we do on a day-to-day. You understand? So stop ignoring morning wood. Like morning erections are natural sign of healthy blood flow and hormone level. So if you no longer have morning erection, you need to work on it. You need to cut out this habit we are looking at. Good sleep quality. Encourage yourself to get good sleep quality. Discourage yourself from unnecessary junks, fries, soda. Those things will keep you at the very way back, and you'll be struggling with erection. So keep track of what you are doing on a day-to-day. Replace all those unhealthy food with fruits, veggies, regular exercise. That will ensure that your erection level is good. And cut out cigarette smoking, because those things damages your blood vessels, and once blood vessels are damaged, the blood flow to the penis will be very low, or be very weak. So as such, you are going to have weak erection. So cut out these 5 habits we have mentioned, and your erection and your sexual health will return back to normal. If you are enjoying content from Vital D, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have not subscribed, I beg you to subscribe, because this will help us. This is a way of you encouraging us to put out this healthy information day to day. So just as a way of bringing back what we have said so far, we were talking about 5 habits that can predispose you, or that can kill your erection. Number 1 is poor sleep. Poor sleep can kill your erection as a man. Then we are looking at smoking. Smoking can also kill your erection slowly. Then junk food. Once you overload yourself with junk food, fries, soda, that thing can also destroy your erection. Then too much screen or porn, that thing can also destroy your erection level. Then chronic stress. Once you are built up on stress from time to time, your erection life will also be affected. So your sexual health or your sexual life will also be affected. So the good news is that these things, you can fix them without taking any medication. So just work on it wherever you are affected that we have mentioned in this video. Try to work on it. Is it junks? Is it cigarette smoking? Is it quality sleep? You understand? Is it porn? Is it excessive unnecessary screen time? Once you cut out those things, your erection and then your sexual health life will be enhanced. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitality, because all we do here is to bring health tips closer to your nearest doorstep.